anywhere inside the world on top of internet. Now www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We don't carry that action political discussion show as in a heart come live, where we go discuss all the actions that will happen for inside Obodo Nigeria for this weekend when pass. So we go dissect them, that is to say, open all the discussion, talk them the way anything be, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way anything be for body, so that those who leaders go do it, hear word, take steps and move this our country forward. My name now is Ezugo Chokwoji, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when inside and stay concerned politics matter as in a heart.
Yes, a beautiful Monday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Now the tier rubber edition of our Ogbonge program. And just as Chukwu don't call them as in the hot that political program where they do it. Where they sunshine now, they informate now with different political activities that they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today we're not go different. We go give now all the events, all the activities, all the show will happen over the weekend. May also be a mindset with the local shop on Fridays, but still, we put our ear grass so that anything will happen, we go do it, we go grab them immediately. So that we will give 5 strong stories we will give now. And we also open our phone line so that when that time reach for now to call, now we also feel call, contribute our own contribution inside. My name never see change, my name is Ankobi, and this now Ask Ide.
As usual, as we do on Monday, all the action to the night will they carry come, and the one we go start with get to do with the activities of the Nigerian Army inside the southwestern part of Nigeria. Some people they talk say this one are like part 1 of what's going to happen later for the Niger Delta region of Obodo, Nigeria. Our soldier people they don't begin waiting with what they call aerial bombardment. That is to say, they don't carry their fighter jets go for up, begin they do bush. For militants, they went there for inside Arekpo area between Lagos and Ogun State. Some people when we say they are bad work, that they do for where our oil pipelines that they vandalize oil pipelines, that they thief, that they do all those kind of bad things when we say they affect the economy of Nigeria. Then we don't give them warning first, say make all of them pack their kaya, make them come up for that place, or else anything when they see their eye, then they will use carry them. But some of them see they show stronger, and our soldier people don't show say we're not going to continue to they wait, they look say okay, oh, these people they do one badness, maybe they give them long rope, and we go show them say indeed for this our country anything when we say go divide us or put our country for trouble we no go accept them. They don't start area bombardment and they may give information to people when they live for that area, say make them no worry if you know be bad person or you know they for inside where these bad people they you don't get anything to fear, just go about your normal activity. And our soldier people based on the activities of our air force they just they blow some of these their houses when they're on top of our pipelines them and inside the creeks for that particular area. They don't already come and talk say they go do everything when they inside their power to sweep these creeks, pursue these people come up for inside here. They call they draw here, they give the ones who they for inside Niger Delta, say like Arepo, like the Niger Delta area of Nigeria. Say anybody when talk say okay, oh, he want make peace in this country, he want make government sit down with them, follow them discuss. The person himself in hand must they clean. And if they continue to do all this badness inside this our country, our army go come with full force to deal with these people. That's not the first story on top of Ask Ide Hot.
Yes, and following the announcement over here about the Adakaboro Avengers, we talk say look, say today being the 1st of August, say they will do it. They will declare that is the Republic of that is Niger Delta. That is they will declare their own sovereignty, their own I don't know what I will call a state. Today can be this thing. Today be first when they talk, so they will do that thing. But then we don't come get a reaction from different bodies. We come and talk say look, say men are not do what you go do what you go cause us a problem on top of this matter. And one of these bodies now Foundation for Human Rights and Anti-Corruption and Crusade. And they come and talk say man, make this Adakaboro boys, make them do it, make them learn as to take respect themselves. If they get issue, make them do it, make them go present their issue the way they're supposed to present them. It's coming out to talk, so they won't declare this thing, they won't declare sovereignty, they won't declare their own nationality. Say it no go help them. And apart from that, would also they get rumors say people from that particular region, don't they do it, don't they fly, that is, they don't they run, come out. Don't they run, come out, they avoid that particular place. So that once it starts to happen, and make them know here talk, say, somehow, then they are among. Now the story will relate to Adakaboro boys and the fact that they talk, say, they will declare their sovereignty. Today will be August 1st. From there, make we do it, make we quickly enter this break. When we come back, the matter continues as it is hot.
Welcome back to Ask Ide Hot. Here's Ezugo Chukwu Inside Studio, and we're giving all of the action to the way carry first based on Nigeria news for this weekend wey pass. So we don't give una two. The one we get to do with the operation of our soldier people for Arekpo area of Lagos, Ogun State, based on the activities of militants when they cause problem for our pipeline them. We don't also talk about the one we get to do with the Niger Delta and the declaration of the Niger Delta Republic by people who call themselves the Adakaboro Avengers. We go continue with our story. Them give you 3, 4, and 5 before we discuss the matter. Allow you to chook mouth inside. And the third one get to do with the 2016 budget. For the past 2 weeks now, everybody inside Obodo Nigeria here don't they stand up based on say them part budget, they no part budget. And the dramatis personae, that is the people when we say they'll be actor or boss for this particular issue, the speaker, Honorable Yakubu Dogara, and the other presiding officers of the house, and the former chairman of the appropriation committee, Alhaji Abdulmumin Jubrin, and they still they fire each other just like Tupac and BIG that year based on beef. Abdulmumin Jubrin don't come and contact say we go carry the speaker and every other person when they involve for that matter go the Federal High Court when they for inside Abuja. He also demand say based on the way things done, they say they go pay him 500 million for say they don't spoil the name and they don't cause him some kind of undue embarrassment based on saying he don't come and talk the truth. Abdulmumin Jubrin come and talk say in they wonder why the EFCC and the ICPC under government where they claim say they won't fight corruption still they slow after he don't submit all the whole evidence when we say he don't submit. He don't even call plenty people name join inside the matter. He talk say the only reason why then they fight him now because of say he go approach the speaker come tell him say about 2,000 projects from nowhere from the 10 community chairmen just enter inside our budget and around 40 billion to 20 billion joining together 60 billion. Then they just share give all this particular money. He talk saying they prepared to meet anybody for inside court, for EFCC office, for ICPC office until this matter go reach a logical conclusion. Plenty Nigerians come they wonder say wait oh. If we don't hear this matter for a very long time, but just like say EFCC and ICPC, maybe then go holiday or the motor when we say that they use the drive, go arrest people, full and no day inside. People call the talk say that they watch this matter very closely to see what in this matter go end. When we open the phone lines, you say go call to talk. You go talk and see the odds.
Nah, choke the thing one choke.
No, you got because under this government of change, I don't know why the EFCC and ICPC are still wasting time.
But choke if you want.
No, I don't want they talk. I don't want they talk plenty money. I want to be seeing action because if ICPC and EFCC, if EFCC freeze Governor Odelefa your share account. Now Monday you go check. They don't freeze the thing since Friday. But this one for the past 3 weeks now we don't hear.
Maybe they never really get enough evidence.
And they never get enough evidence.
No, I don't from their
own. No, you are giving excuse
from their own side though.
Continue your
from
story.
Their own side.
When this matter start, you go talk. When this matter start,
may I give my next story now? What is it? What is it? Yes, from there, we go straight into the next story. And this one got to do with under prison and break. And I don't know whether we'll get our own version of prison break for Nigeria here. We know one particular prison break will be season film. But this one, we don't get under prison break for Kogi State. And this one, they happen for the Cotton Cafe Medium security prison within inside Kogi. And then from what we hear say about 13 people, inmates, 9 escape. But somehow, under the able agile security people will get, they can't capture like 6. Can't throw them back to the prison. Say you people are not going anywhere. Say the rest where remain. Say we'll make sure say we also capture them. And we call the guy report say this one are like the third break, prison break, where they happen in the last 2 months for this same Kogi State. The issue we come down say, if we don't get season 1 prison break, get season 2, season 3, and come and say this one reality prison break. Say make government make them find what they want to about them, because this prison break don't they turn into what they don't feel contain. But then we don't say under the leadership of the state where the governor place, and also they will do it. They will find something do about this particular matter because we don't want to see them again. That had to do with the prison break matter what happened for Kogi.
Make we come top our final story with wetin we say every time we come on top of Asile Hot, we dey discuss am based on say we talk say if other people keep quiet for the matter, we go continue to dey talk am. And this one get to do with the internally displaced persons inside Obodo, Nigeria. Gist don come and say about 23,000 bags of assorted food items. That is to talk say different items when we say people fit chop food things and then they arrange go the different internally displaced persons camps when they inside Obodo, Nigeria. They also talk say around 2,155 shelter items. That is things when we say like mosquito net, foam and everything when we say they go fit sleep on top, they comfortably. Now they don't share. And plenty Nigerians go come and talk say yes, so this one a very very good move on the part of our government. Make we don't forget saying in the past 2 weeks we don't see some kind of people when we say that they contribute to help the internally displaced persons inside of Nigeria, they don't they come out hand because they talk say, be like say, government no serious, or the people of Nigeria, no, they appreciate what they do. We remember say, get some people when we say they come from United Nations, when we say that they can't even they help our internally displaced persons, they attack them. People going to talk say, these people when they come they help us, why we not even provide better security for them, make them stop to the fear. But government already can't step up, and from the office of the vice president, they can't talk say, see so thing when they do. But plenty Nigerians come and talk say, not be by announcing, not be by snapping picture, not be by going there to go talk say, look at what we are doing. Exactly. Because they talk say, this government when we say, it be like say their own now, we shall. Say, may this government do extra more. And extra more, I say, may the government go there to ensure, say, okay, oh, these food items will don't drop, it reach the people when they need them.
Exactly.
This shelter will don't drop, it reach the people when they need them. Say, until we reach that level, may this government, may they stop all this there, we shall.
Anyway,
go answer that one.
Hold on, but the thing be say, the two idea about this matter, must you know the number of food supplies when they want supply to these people. So now the food supply be the major thing. I make we ensure say the food reach the
no, but it did very, very good. As they tell us say 23,000 assorted, it did okay.
Assorted, but make be say, we not going to come here say summer. Some bad belly people come, they go behind the curtain, they kidnap the food, they go resell them to only God know who they go resell them to.
Left for me, this thing no be news.
No be, of course, not the matter. People say, I just remind that we try to remind Nigeria. Say,
no,
we put our ear down. We give no information.
I'm not reminding anything.
No, we need to at least keep Nigerians updated with what they happen for IDP.
This is not about keeping anybody updated. This is about calling those that are responsible to order.
No, it is also a collective way to ensure, say, we call the people to order.
We don't call them to order since we never see anything. Now, they don't tell us, say, 23,000 assorted food items, nice. 2,155 shelter items, nice. But we won't know as all these particular things they go down.
Exactly.
Let me say you come and tell us say we have
now what do not talk for mouth.
Exactly. And I waiting like this government. He be like now waiting this government. Now the only thing we don't see for this particular government. We have first and foremost.
The fact that talks this, not the take and tackle the government.
We don't hear reports say some people go carry food items when belong to these people. They will go sell them. They will carry and come up for there. They will steal them. They will do all this kind of thing. Let the government come out to tell us that. See the kind of things we don't put in place so you can ensure say this particular thing no go happen. Now we to come and tell us say 23,000. Good for you. Good for you because you are the government and you are supposed to be responsible for these people.
Exactly.
But we must ensure say no be say tomorrow I'll come and say after all we gave you what?
Will not be their responsibility.
You must ensure say these people the thing reach their hand and those people when we say that they do some kind of plan. Maybe I don't know whether you know these people when they go they thief all this kind of thing. They ensure say they stop this particular one. That's the only thing I'm going to talk about.
The boot where you went, now they confuse this morning. I'm not waiting.
Which boot I wear?
Why we talk say whether I know these people? What's the meaning of that?
I'm just saying. I'm stating the obvious because it's very obvious.
They even get liver, they put obvious, which means automatically when they try to say I know them.
Why he be say person go tell us
say obvious? Stating the obvious.
Why he be say person go tell us say
obvious? Me say you know them truly.
Why he be say person go tell us say some people they hide money inside farm and the next week or 2 weeks later we come here and say he own the entire inside billion. Why he be say we dey hear am? In a government of change, no, they come and they sugarcoat all this kind of thing. We are not giving these people chocolate. We are saying it as it is. And let me say it as it is. For the past 1 year, how much we don't invest into the lives of our internally displaced persons, our brothers and sisters from this country?
I understand that one.
Have we moved forward? Where have we gone to? People see their inside camp. People see they're hungry. You know how many children they die every day? Now, doctors without borders, they complain. No security, no anything. What has the government put in place? And I'm saying this thing. And you're here telling me that this thing.
Are you somehow related to that bed where they call P?
I am very, very angry with the situation.
Are you related? Because the way your mouth they run, take it easy.
My mouth must run because I'm speaking for Nigerians.
Are you related to that bed?
Anything, you can call me anything you like. That was the same thing they called our Lord Jesus Christ. That was the same thing they called Ghani Fawayimi. That's the same thing they are calling Femi Falana. You can call me anything you like. Now the matter with the address. 23,000 assorted food items.
Yes.
Who did they go to? Tell us your plan. Nkubi, you have given out 23,000 food items. How do you ensure say this 23,000 food items that the right people want to go?
The right people hand. We don't also talk here. Say
where are you take ensure? No, they talk say we don't also talk. What
we don't also talk. Say make necessary things there in place. Okay. Security. Hold on. Security. We go ensure the food go to the various IDPs and also make ensure say the food that they give
all
them.
This one way they talk. You never answer question. Make them ensure say
my own way.
Make them.
My own way.
No, don't tell us your own way. Don't tell us your own way.
My own way.
If you can provide 23,000 food items.
Which kind
all these things wey go ensure say the thing go the people hand. Suppose on them play.
Which kind talk with that?
make security. This is still a we shall situation. Make security, make the ensure say. But before security know the day, everybody know that one. People 30 for this, everybody know that one. Now, how have you been able to ensure say this 23,000 and 2,155? You know go waste. That's what I'm asking. You are still going about the we shall situation.
You know what? See what you will do, eh?
Not me, I don't do anything.
We go try
I'm speaking for the Nigerian people, and I continue to speak.
We go try track down the number of the vice president with all they put inside this pattern. Also try track down the phone number of the people so that you go fit take your own ask them. Why would I ask that question?
Nigerians.
Say make I tell you.
Nigerians.
What's the meaning of that?
Nigerians, I'm going to speak English in this particular situation.
Speak English. I go speak English.
And the English, you go speak English.
I go speak English. Go ahead. Let's speak the English.
Don't make mistake here now.
I think no, sir. I don't speak English. Let's go ahead and speak the English.
I will call on the vice president.
I will also call on the vice president
and the federal government of Nigeria
and
to rise up to this particular occasion and find a lasting solution to this particular problem.
To also rise up
we
and
are tired of coming to
we
television every day
this
to
responsibility
say, they give 23,000, they give 2,155. What if it is one that they put in place so ensure say these statistics are shocking and alarming. Over 200 children they die of malnutrition, and every time we come and they talk say we make them ensure say make them 14 months since May to August 15 months. Make them.
Hold on, but then with this
make them government.
With this steps,
government of
with
make
these
them.
steps,
All progressive make them.
Make I talk now.
All progressive.
Make I talk.
All progressive condition.
See my hand. Make I talk.
Don't talk.
If you don't make this hand, make you do what you no go like.
Which hand?
This one where they raise.
Where the hand won't reach?
I don't need to.
No, where the hand won't reach?
I don't need to stretch.
Where the hand won't reach?
It's just a matter of coming closer and you go hear her.
Where the hand won't reach?
You go hear her.
You don't measure your hand. You don't measure your hand from ground reach this place. Where the hand won't reach?
Just let me talk.
Let you talk.
Steps have been taken.
Step. Oh yeah, tell us the step.
The fact say don't they even see supply in the first place. With the fact say the vice president they put inside this particular matter. I tell you at least it don't they done on the government say this is no be the jamboree.
Okay, he never done on them before. You not done on them.
I'm talking.
You not done on them before.
I'm talking.
We don't they see. We don't. You are still saying the same thing I'm complaining against. We don't they see.
Why not just give room for this one to play out first?
We don't they see.
Give room for this one to play out.
We don't they see. We don't they see. We don't they see. We don't they see. We don't they see everything. We don't they see for fuel. We don't they see for security. We don't they see fight against corruption. We don't they see. We don't they see. We shall. We don't they see. We don't they see. Oh, I don't get another new name. We don't they see. We don't they see. We don't they see. We don't they see. You never do me anything. I'll continue to speak up for my brothers and sisters in the northeastern part of the country.
Any word, why any phrase or any sentence, why you say no ever they use and they attack me.
We don't they see. We don't they me too. I don't they see. I'm seeing it. You are wearing suit.
You're also wearing blazers.
You are following them to share money.
Hey, please. We don't
you are following them to we don't they see. We don't they see again.
I don't tell you. No, they make that reference.
Anybody when they hear, when they go tell the vice president. Comrade Chukwudi, speaking for the Nigerian people.
I am also speaking for the Nigerian people.
You are not speaking for any Nigerian people.
I am speaking for collectively for the Nigerian people.
Which people
That's
are you speaking
for? Nigerian made them come and also speak for Nigeria.
Which people are you
speaking for? Which people
are you speaking for when you come and they don't say, we don't they see. I'm standing here to say that government must be proactive, not reactive. Proactive in the sense, say, you go, they do things, they anticipate, say, this kind of thing happen. Don't be said to do things. Because in the past,
but what will they talk here?
What did they talk? Tell us the steps when they don't put in place.
The steps they have put in place. Now, this first one, we don't see.
Which first one? This is not a step.
The supply of food to the IDPs.
Okay, IDPs.
Okay, from these supplies, then the next phase of step, which is to ensure, say, the place they secure go forward.
How you don't ensure, say, it is secure?
Why not ask? Why could ask me this kind of question?
Who could be this statement where you don't talk now? He holds no water.
Make it no hold water.
This your statement is a basket.
Make the water they
Number
for
one,
the basket.
As a comrade, as a strategist.
Now, better person, clap for yourself.
The people when we say that they internalize displaced people's camp.
Strategic manager.
They must chop. If they no chop, then they go die.
Yeah, we know
but
that
we
one.
even come out the fact, say children. They die in their own dress every week, which is a failure on the part of this government to address this particular issue. Not somehow, whether you accept it or not, not somehow. I don't care. I don't care whether you accept it or not. They are afraid. Number one. Number two. Now, 23,000. If you bring 23,000 assorted, that's different. He showed the number of internally displaced people we will get for this country. 23,000. So our internally displaced people, they are in their thousands. Now, what is the major problem we don't experience? The major problem is diversion. Government, they put them before, but people, they tiff them. What are the mechanisms that have been put in place to use to ensure, say,
allow me to land?
What are the mechanisms when we say government don't put in place to use to ensure, say, this particular thing, they don't thief am again? Now, what do we want to know? We never know. It's just like, it's not like say they just talk this one, make Nigerians say, oh, they don't provide that. But nothing has been done. Don't ask me, ask your people. Ask your people. Because I'm speaking for Nigerian people. I'm speaking for Nigerian people. I'm speaking for Nigerian people.
You don't hear any of that subsequent report say, okay, something go wrong, or probably there's somebody called kidnap food for the camp.
How many people they die every week?
That is also
is that not see something going wrong? Is that not see something going wrong?
Nobody is.
That is also being addressed. We don't see. We shall. I'm not holding on.
We are accepting the reality.
Thank you. That you use government, you need to go back and go back to the drawing board. Go back to the drawing board.
Hold on. We are accepting the reality. Say yes. The IDP camps, a lot of things they go wrong there. The fact that people they die, yes, accepted. The fact that people they do it, they kidnap.
See the way they talk this thing, they talk like say, no be anything. You say,
how you want me to talk and then you bring
how you go go for television talk say
because of the tone why they use.
Which why you gonna use this kind of say people we have accepted.
How you want me to talk about they cry?
Who could be?
Make her cry. If you want me to cry, inside of they cry for you.
Because you're crying that your tears are fake. Don't even cry for me. Don't cry for me, Argentina. You know that song? Don't cry for me, Argentina.
I know the Madonna.
Thank you.
Thank God say you know. The person sing, I find Madonna go America.
This already show that you are old school. Don't cry for me, Argentina.
No, we are both because for you to also know the song. For you to also know the song, we are both on the same level.
For you to know the person when sing this song, can't even know the address. You say make her find and go America.
No, we all know she's an American citizen.
Because
but for you to even bring up the song to the first place, we are both men, old men.
You show that you are old school.
We are old men.
And it's obvious saying this particular issue when we address now. The old school method. Now you use the address now. We don't see. We shall.
Let us address other issues.
Tell your people, this is the most important issue to me. This is the most important issue to me. My brothers and sisters that are dying in the northeastern part of the country, I don't want them to die anymore. I want this government to take it serious and go and address this particular issue.
When they face challenges for IDP, this government, they on the store to ensure, say at least they put everything in place to make life better for now.
At least them put, we don't they see, we shall. Give them assurance, say, see the things when all they in place.
The assurance say, things are in place. Already we don't they see signs.
We don't they see again, can you see?
Either way.
My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters.
No come they buy emotion.
I beg you.
No come they buy emotion
here.
No buy emotion here.
We love you.
No buy emotion here.
We believe in this country.
No buy emotion here.
We know what you are going through.
No buy emotion here.
Me as a comrade on top of this show,
me as a sincere Nigerian,
and I will continue to complain until this government do what is right to ensure that we ensure the safety and guarantee the lives of Nigerians in the northeastern part of the country. I say this, so help me God. I will continue to speak out. I will continue to speak out. I don't talk already. I don't talk my mind.
I don't talk my mind.
And from the way when we say that they see us and they react, the passion, the emotion, they don't say I really need this.
You've always been an actor. You're an actor. If you just decide to cry now, Nigerians go fix that through say you're crying.
Because I'm passionate. I'm passionate.
But people will say our face. Before we go cry, it will take us time. But once we cry, they go start crying. Now sincere
Which cry you won't cry? You get
even the emotion what they talk this talk now show say yes. The something they really hit me.
You will be like,
so we are two different people.
The way we even do, you be like, who get boy for armpit? So we know all of this. Now so when I take cry, win election. Now want they cry for internally displaced person. Let's move on. But I want to assure my brothers and sisters in the northeastern part of the country, in the south, in the north central, in the northwest, in the southeast, in the southwest, that we are going to do all we can to ensure that we move this country forward.
I also want to ensure that all my brothers, just the same way we talk, we're going to ensure that this government, when I feel say they work, eventually they work.
Which your brothers from where? Your brothers from Cameroon?
From the northeast, that is the sixth geopolitical zone
place?
In Nigeria.
Which place?
We're going to ensure say this government at least work and now go see the result.
You are not even in Nigeria, it's obvious. You be like, I don't even say you even come from Cameroon. The way I look you are somewhere from around that kind South Sudan, because like that as your idea, of course you are a trekker, Johnny Walker. You are a walker, Johnny Walker. Move to the next story, please. I've just spoken my mind as regarding my brothers and sisters in the northeast. And you go and tell your people, because if nobody's going to talk about it, I'll keep talking. Everybody knows that I'm a comrade. They know I'm speaking their mind.
Me and you, they talk this matter.
Me and you know they talk anything. So their people don't step up their work. Talk that one. At least count it as an achievement. Count it as an achievement.
Anyway, you don't do it.
You don't
Let me talk.
You don't get military background.
It is
No, you don't get military background. So you don't understand. Continue.
Anyway, you don't do it. Just allow me address this matter.
Continue. Address her.
Don't do you. Okay, yes, following this thing, the activities where they play out for the borders between that Lagos and Ogun State. We don't hear say that is our able, that is our capable soldier people don't do it. Don't enter into action. And from the reports that they hear, we hear say yes, those disturbing areas, those areas where we say they can't do it, carry out badness, can't run, go back, say they don't do it. They don't enter there, clean up the whole place, capture the people they capture, and at least for sure the bad people were there. And now to tell you say yes, sincerely, this government do it. The government is working, and at least with this development, at least the people of these particular areas where they insecure, at least go feel come back to their own respective houses. At least get they relax. Say yes, at least the government is working. For that reason, let us relax and ensure say we give the government the kind of support we they need, for us to also do it, move on in our life. So that we think that is how. On the surface, that is how.
On the surface, make we go break. When we go the break, come back, we'll continue our discussion.
Let's go for a break.
On the surface.
Let's go.
On the surface.
Let's go on the break.
On the surface break.
No, we have to go on the break.
On the pipeline. On the underground. On the pipeline. On the underground. He don't. We shall. He don't. We don't.
Go break now.
We don't. You want first to go break? You want? Oh yeah, carry the break now.
Go break.
Go first and go break. You want to escape. You want to escape.
Now, man, go break, please.
You want to escape. I'm begging.
I'm not escaping to where?
You want to escape.
Escaping to where?
You want to escape. We shall.
We don't do you. Let's go.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.